Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amazing Life Center. I'm Dr. Schuyler McHenry, and today we're diving into an issue that so many of us deal with: fatigue. You know that feeling? That bone-deep tiredness that no amount of coffee seems to fix? Yeah, we're going there. If you're tired of feeling tired, this video is for you. Let's talk about how functional medicine addresses the root causes of fatigue, not just the symptoms. We're not about quick fixes here. We're about getting to the bottom of what's really going on. So, grab your water bottle, get comfy, and let's get you back to feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Let's talk about hormones, those chemical messengers that control so much of what's going on in our bodies. When it comes to fatigue, hormonal imbalances are often major culprits. Like a vital cog in the energy production machinery. Even a slight deficiency can leave you feeling like you're running on fumes. Now, this one might surprise you. Chronic inflammation. It's like having a low-grade fire constantly burning inside your body. It diverts your energy away from essential functions, leaving you feeling drained and exhausted. Think of it like this. If your house was on fire, would you be focusing on redecorating or putting out the flames? Your body prioritizes fighting inflammation, and that takes energy. So what causes this chronic inflammation? Well, it can be a few things. Hidden food sensitivities are a big one. Gluten, dairy, and soy are common culprits. These foods can trigger an immune response in your gut, leading to inflammation that spreads throughout the body. Another common cause is gut imbalances. An overgrowth of harmful bacteria or a lack of beneficial bacteria can disrupt the delicate ecosystem of your gut, leading to inflammation. And finally, chronic low-grade infections can also be the root of the problem. Think of things like viruses, bacteria, or even parasites that your immune system is constantly fighting off. We all know that sleep is important, but it's not just about the quantity, it's about the quality. Are you getting enough deep, restorative sleep? Or are you tossing and turning all night, waking up feeling groggy and exhausted? You see, during deep sleep, our bodies go to work repairing and rebuilding tissues, consolidating memories, and releasing essential hormones. If we're not reaching those deep stages of sleep, we miss out on these crucial restorative processes. So what can interfere with restorative sleep? Well, stress is a major culprit. When we're stressed, our minds race, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Other factors include blue light exposure from electronics, caffeine consumption too close to bedtime, and even certain medications. Let's talk about stress, that ever-present force in our fast-paced world. While some stress can be motivating, chronic stress can absolutely tank your energy levels. Think of it like this. You have two buckets, one for stress and one for energy. When your stress bucket overflows, it starts to drain your energy bucket. You might experience brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and that all too familiar feeling of burnout. Managing stress is crucial for reclaiming your energy. Incorporating stress-reducing practices into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature. These are all powerful tools that can help you hit the reset button on stress and replenish your energy reserves. And at Amazing Life Center, we're here to help you rediscover your energy and live your best life. If you're ready to tackle fatigue and feel like yourself again, schedule your consultation today. Let's take this journey together. Host Waving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, most amazing life. See you next time.